MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides expert furnace heat exchanger repair in Pottstown, PA, helping maintain the safety, efficiency, and performance of your heating system. The heat exchanger is a vital furnace component that transfers heat throughout your home, and damage can lead to reduced efficiency, poor heating performance, or potential safety concerns. Our experienced technicians perform thorough inspections to identify cracks, corrosion, or other issues and provide reliable repair solutions. We work with all major furnace brands and prioritize safe, effective service. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for professional furnace heat exchanger repair in Pottstown, PA, and dependable heating comfort all winter long. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a furnace heat exchanger repair near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides furnace heat exchanger repair in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional furnace heat exchanger repair in Pottstown, PA for homeowners and businesses experiencing heating system performance or safety concerns. What does a furnace heat exchanger do? A furnace heat exchanger is responsible for transferring heat from the furnace burners to the air that is distributed throughout your home. What is your furnace heat exchanger repair in Pottstown, PA? Our furnace heat exchanger repair has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parkerford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://pjmashvats.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown PA/.